What is going on, YouTubers? In today's how-to video, I'll be showing y'all how to remove super glue off your skin. So check it out. So let's say this is your super glue, right? Alright, let's see here. Let's go across from here, across here, across here, across here, across here. Alright, so we got all of this, right? Bam, let's do that. Now we gotta let it dry for a little bit. Now that the glue is dry, no need to get any harsh chemicals such as acetone. This is a quick and safe way to remove the glue off your skin, and it's not painful whatsoever, okay? Everybody owns a razor, and everybody owns either some lotion or some shaving cream, okay? So now that it's dry, all you're simply going to do is put some lotion on or whatever just to make it a little bit more softer. Get your razor and just start shaving like this. Okay. Everyone owns a razor. This method is really fast and easy. It doesn't hurt. There's no harsh chemicals, no acetone, just clean skin. Okay. Make sure you don't go sideways like this, just in a motion where you're just basically shaving off a little bit more lotion here. Okay, like that. You see all the accumulated super glue that's on behind the razor? You can wash that off, clear it out if you want to, and then boom. See all that glue that came off? Just with your razor. Alright, right now I don't feel any more glue except for just one little spot right here. There we go. Let me just clear this off. Bam. Absolutely no more glue on my skin. It's all on the razor. So if you're ever stuck in a situation where you got annoying super glue on your skin, grab a razor, some shaving cream, or under the faucet with some water running, and just shave it off. If this video helped you out, please thumbs up and subscribe, because I got many more videos on how to save time, money, and get yourself out of a lot of sticky situations. Thanks for watching, and peace out.